Okay, wait. Let me go ahead and see. So we started with basic algebraic proofs, right? Okay. Okay, let's first understand where we are. Okay, your class is way ahead. Were you all able to work on the proof?
Yeah.
Did you have any questions? Looks like many of you did not.
I had a question on the first one. There was like two equations, so I didn't know how to like write that other proof.
1 second, I want to go over the homework first. There are so many that did not go through the homework. I don't know why and where are we? I have no idea, guys. Just because school got over, did you not have time to do? Sahana, were you able to get to the homework one?
Yeah, I submitted it right before class. I like did it like yesterday or something, but like I forgot to submit it.
But you did it, ma'am?
Yeah, I submitted it like a couple of minutes ago.
Oh, is it? Okay. I see. Okay.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
I had a question on like the first. I had a question.
I'll go over the homework. Akshada, did you have time to go to the homework?
I was sick, so I wasn't able to look at the
Oh,
homework.
yeah, I know you. Sorry. Yes. Are you feeling better now?
Yeah, I'm a lot better.
Good to know. Pratika, were you able to do?
I did the first one that you sent, but I didn't have time to get to the other one.
Oh, there were two.
Wait.
Oh, basic geometry review questions, huh? No, right? Yeah. Oh, okay. So you had to do two. Okay, I see. I see it. Oh, Subian's. Oh, Sahana, you didn't submit the second one, ma.
I thought only the first one was due for this week, and I thought the other one was for like review. So I only did the first.
Okay. Okay, let's go over it. Dhruv, which homework to take up, Dhruv?
It's the one that says like basic algebraic proofs, page 1, 2.
Basic?
Algebraic proof.
This one?
Yeah.
Dhruv, tell me.
It's like the first question.
Huh?
It's the first problem.
Yenda?
It's the first one.
1 second. Which one, ma?
Like I didn't know how to the first question, the first problem.
First one?
Yeah.
But you had the answers down beneath, right?
Yeah, but like I didn't understand how to do it before I looked at the answers, so I'm just asking.
Oh, okay. But did you check the answers? Did you understand from there?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, I didn't understand how to do the cutting out part, so I just did pages 16 to
Ma,
19.
that is absolutely okay, ma. You are not expected to do the cutting out part, okay? You are expected to do only this. That's it. Got it?
Okay, because I did the proofs on 16 to 19.
Yep. That's all. And then you can check your answers here. Do you see distributive given? Y equal. Okay, wait.
Wait, this is like random. I think it's like cut it out.
What is it, ma?
I think you have to like cut everything out and then put it together like a puzzle piece or something.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I can go over. Yes. You want me to go over one or two, Dhruv?
No, it's fine. I understand.
It's fine. Okay. So basically, first, see, these are the ones that are in there, right? So you'll go ahead with distributive property. 4, okay.
Miss Priya, if you scroll down, there's a page where it has the
Answers, right?
like where it has the equation, it has boxes for you to write the proofs in.
Yeah, I did look through before assigning. I did look through this one properly. Here. Okay, nice. We'll write it down here. Let's write it down here. 4 times x plus y equal to 48. Given. Okay. Now 4x plus 4y equal to 48.
Miss Priya, I had a question. Since they gave y equals to 6, so in the first one, do you write 4x plus 6 equals 48?
No, you have to write.
Absolutely fine.
You have to write
I'm-
4x.
Either way should be fine. You see?
So we
This
can
is
use
also fine.
okay.
Or as you say, right, you can do this as well. Given. Okay. Then you can say y equal to 6. Given. 4 times x plus 6 equal to 48. Substitution. Make sense, ma?
Okay.
This is as well fine. Then you say distribution. Only thing is you should properly attribute reasoning. That's all. The reason should be perfectly right. Now, 4x plus 24 equal to 48. Here, you can see, you can condense this. Okay. Subtract. I can subtract 4x equal to 48 minus 24. Subtraction property of equality. Make sense? 4x equal to 24, x equal to 6. This is division property. This one is, see here itself. You don't need to write this even. You can just say, so this yields 4x. This is subtraction property of equality. Now you can write this down as 4x equal to 24, and after that you can say x equal to 6, division property of equality. Any questions?
No.
Can't you can also do substitution first, right?
Yeah, you can do, ma.
Okay.
I showed you here. Can I move on? Okay. Can I move on to other proofs?
Mhm.
Okay, we'll study a few more postulates. Can I move on, guys? Is that okay?
Yeah.
How about, give me a minute. Do you want to do, okay, I'll give you the options. Do you guys want to do constructions today, or do you guys want to do more proofs? I'm okay with either. What do you want to do?
Can we do more proofs?
Sure.
What are
Nobody raises, I'll just move on. Yeah, go ahead.
what are constructions?
What is the majority then? Anybody else wants to say something?
I'm fine with proofs, so could we do constructions?
What is it, ma?
Could we do
Can
constructions?
we do constructions?
You want to do constructions? Okay. Pratika, can we go with constructions?
Sure.
Okay. I mean, it's a little different rather than again proving. Common constructions you should know, guys. Whatsoever, whether you CBE geometry or don't CBE geometry, you should know the basic construction.
What is construct?
I'll tell you.
Yes, Priya, you're on mute.
Sorry, thanks. So I'll give you the website name. You're going to go to the website and we will construct together. Then only you will understand what's going on. Construction means what? You have to use your compass and a pencil to draw a line segment, to copy a line segment, to copy an angle. So a basic construction, when we start geometric constructions, right? We can start with constructing a line segment or copying. Copy a line segment. Okay. Before I go here, right? You all know the difference between these, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So now I have been given, this is given. Okay. Copy line segment AB. This is not like you just measure, hey, take a ruler, measure from here to here, copy that in here. No. Construction is when you start using your compass, ruler, and pencil. Okay, you're not just going to keep a ruler here. Okay, draw one line. Then measure using the ruler, measure this, measure here, and you say this is A dash, B dash. Hey, I copied. No, you're going to use geometrical tools like a compass and a pencil. Okay, I sent you a website to all of you in chat. Okay, let's go there. Let me share my screen. You see my screen? When I do it here, you can do it at your end. That makes it very easy. And then we can practice a few together. Okay. Now, this is the line segment. I want to copy this line segment. That's the intent. Okay. This is A. This is B. Any questions still here? I'm going to copy this line segment. How to copy the line segment? Using compass and pencil. Okay. What I do, this is a line segment. So basically, wait here.
So are we using the compass online or do we have to actually get
Online, it's very easy online. You can do it later with your physical compass.
Okay.
It's exactly the same. Make sense?
Yes.
You know why I reverted to this? Okay, 2-3 years back, I used to get the kids bring. They'll take 2-3 weeks to bring. Many of them will forget. So this is so easy, so comfortable. You just practice it in here, and whenever you have your physical compass, you can practice. Can I go ahead? Okay. Now I will draw a line, not a line segment. I will draw a line. Let's say I call this as A dash O dash. Okay. Now I take the compass. Okay. See, the compass in this website has different functionality. One is a lock. Lock means I cannot change the distance. See, the distance measured by the compass is constant. When it is locked, what is the distance measured by the compass? What I'm talking about when I say that, I'm talking about the distance. The distance, which distance? I'll show you. This distance from the, oh, what guys? This distance, the distance between the pencil and the compass needle on the other side. That distance is a constant. Means what I'm saying, this distance. You got it? When the compass is locked, this distance is a constant. When I take the lock on the compass, let's say I take the lock on the compass. See now, you see, I can change the distance measured by the compass. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, let me show you. So if you want to copy the line segment, take your compass, take your compass, wait, take your compass. Okay, if I can use, oh my gosh, what is going on? Okay, let me lock it first of all. Okay, then why I'm not, move the compass to position A. Are you all, okay, I'll repeat it once more anyway. Okay, then I measure till B, lock the compass. I measured the distance, I locked the compass. bring it to A dash. Okay. Now use this black color. See, the cursor changes to a black color circle. At that time, I'll be able to draw with the compass. You see, I draw an arc. Whatever I have drawn is the arc. Whatever I have drawn here is an arc. Okay. Now, once I draw the arc, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take the compass out. Let's take the compass out. Okay. Now, this line segment, A dash, B dash. This I call it B dash. A dash, B dash is the A dash, B dash is the line, is the copy of line segment AB. Make sense? Does it make sense or not?
Just have to draw the arc and whatever point the arc whatever the arc intersects in the line, it's the line segment.
Exactly, because you already measured the distance here. With that distance, you are making the arc.
Okay.
Make sense?
I think a little bit more practice will help.
Yeah. That's why I'm saying, let me erase this, okay? Let me erase it. Let's learn the basic 3 constructions at least today. What I'm saying is, let me go ahead and clear everything, okay? Our intent is to copy a line segment. So let's draw a line. You also draw, guys. You also draw in parallel, okay? I'm going to copy this line segment. Okay, I'm going to call this as A, B. Okay, this construction is related to copy a line segment AB. Shall I go ahead? You're all on the same page? Did you have any questions? Annam, do you have any questions?
No, not so
Okay.
far.
Now, next week, I really want to come back to that proofs. Otherwise, you guys will forget when we start in summer or whatever. So let's go ahead. Now, copy a line segment. Now, AB is there. Now, I'm going to copy this line segment. For that, this is line segment AB, okay? Copy this line segment AB. Okay, this is a line segment. Now, what I'll do, I'm going to take this line, draw a line A dash O dash. Draw a line A dash O dash. This is a line, okay? Draw line A dash O dash. Any questions?
Spirits, whenever we're copying proof or not, whenever we're copying the line segment, for the bigger line that we draw, the left side always has to be the same as the start, right? Like it has to always be A if it's A.
I would say so. I would say so. Doesn't matter if you extend it here as well. You will just pick up any point on the line as A dash.
Okay.
That's where you're going to start the compass. Now, if I take the compass, right, I'll go ahead and measure first, right? I'll bring the compass here. First, I have to measure the length, unlock it, measure the length. Akshada, are you following?
Yeah.
Dhruv, where are you, Dhruv?
I turned off my video by accident.
Subhi, are you following, Subhi? Avni, how about you? Okay. Did you guys get it till here? Did you measure using the compass?
Yes.
Then I locked the compass, moved it to any point A dash. You have to keep the compass needle on the point A dash. Otherwise, this is not going to work. Okay. Keep the point on point A dash and then go to that black color on top, right? Then it becomes a circle so that you can draw the arc. I drew the arc. Now I can remove my compass. I'm done. Okay. Wherever I drew the arc, I mark it as B dash. Okay. Now, A dash B dash, A dash B dash, the line segment A dash B dash is the copy of AB. Any questions here?
Wait, Miss Priya, whenever I'm trying to draw with the compass, it keeps going the wrong way. Like,
You need some practice. Why it goes the wrong way? Can you share your screen? I'll help you. Each of you, I can help. Share, ma. Share your screen. I'll help you. Everybody will know, right? What is the problem? Everybody will face the same problem. Why don't you try? 1 minute, guys. I want to switch it off. Can you try? Can you share your screen, ma?
it's not letting me share my screen. All I can.
It's not letting you share. What does it mean?
It says on my computer
see-
blocking it, but it's not letting. But it's not blocked.
I think you can do it if Miss Priya like removes hers.
Oh, shall I stop sharing?
Yeah.
No, whenever I click share, it says to open system settings. Whenever I go there, it's not letting me change anything.
Oh, okay. There is some problem with your machine. Okay, okay. Okay, is anybody else facing the problem?
I have a question.
Yes.
So if A dash line A dash B dash is the copy of line segment AB, how come you need to do this this longer line and then use your compass because and draw the arc because wherever your pencil part of the compass is ending, that's where your B dash is, right? Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, pencil part of the compass is ending, right? How will you know? You have to mark, right, with a dot or an arc, correct?
Yeah. So you don't need an arc, right?
The geometric constructions expects you to draw an arc because, see, I don't know how many schools are going to teach constructions or not. It's a different topic, okay? Some teachers teach, some teachers don't teach. It just depends on where you land, okay? The thing is, in geometric constructions, if you're given a geometric construction and if you're, let's say you don't draw the arc, right? How will the teacher know that you ever measured or anything? The arc tells us that it has been constructed correctly.
Okay.
Does it sound like a plan?
Yeah.
Okay. So thing is, when you go further, this is just the very basic construction of a line segment, okay? If we move up, right, we are going to copy angles. After copying angles, we'll draw a perpendicular. We'll draw a perpendicular from a point to a line, or we'll draw a perpendicular to a line. So if when all this comes up, there'll be too many arcs, okay? A person who has been through nice geometric constructions will clearly, immediately find if there is a mistake. You got it? Meaning, you may think, auntie, meaning I don't have to use a compass and all. I'll draw like arcs like this, join and make a perpendicular. Okay, no. As soon as I see this, I'll know that you have done a mistake. Okay, once you are very thorough with constructions, right? Even if it's a small mistake, it's so easy to sort out with these arcs and stuff. That is why. Got it?
I got it.
Yeah.
Like most of the geometry tests be on paper.
What do you mean by that?
Because like we do all our tests online right now. But like
Oh,
if we're
this-
gonna do like this, then we would need to do it on paper, right?
Oh yeah. Your class tests and all you know what type of questions they'll ask. They'll ask, meaning they will give you construction steps. Okay, one of the steps they'll ask you to fill in. You got it? If it is something you don't have to construct, right? They will give you like steps. Hey, draw line A dash O dash. Then measure the length of line segment AB with a compass. Then they may leave the next step blank. The next step will say A dash B dash is the copied line segment. So what is the missing segment? use the compass measured length, put your compass on A dash, and then draw the arc B dash. That is missing, right? So you might have to fill that.
Okay.
Okay, it can also be questions like that. You don't have to construct always.
Okay.
Okay, can I move on?
Yes.
Advik, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, so copying a line segment is very easy. Okay, let's try angles. You know angle. What is an angle? You know, right? Basically, if I ask you, hey, this is an angle. Okay, copy BAC. Okay, copy angle BAC. That's what it is. So let's say I draw an angle. I draw a line first of all, right? I draw a line. I'll give you an angle. First of all, this is what is given, right? Another one. Okay. Now, this is what is given to me. Okay. So I have to copy this angle. What is this angle? BAC. So I have to copy angle BAC. Okay. So the first step is go ahead and draw a line. Go ahead and draw a line. Okay. Go ahead and draw a line. Okay. That line can be marked as AC. Any questions still here? Ashrita, did you find it the answer for the compass?
Yes, I put the pencil on the left side instead of the right side, so it's tracing the wrong way.
Good job, Ma. So you can figure it out. It's just the usage of the tool, right? Good job. So now you have A dash. Let me copy it as A dash C dash, guys. I don't want the same names. Otherwise, you can't distinguish. Now, can we move on? 1 second. I just want to see what is the second. 1 second. Okay. I'll give you steps as well. You don't have to be much bothered about. Okay. I'll give some steps as well as notes. Okay. There is one website which is very good for this, but you have to wait a little bit. Wait. What is that? Share. Am I not sharing, guys? Oh, I'm not sharing now. Okay, I got it. Wait.
You are sharing your screen.
I'm sharing, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, ho, ho. Now if I go to share, it'll go. I think it's okay. Let's see. Math Bits notebook is very good for constructions. I'll send you the list of constructions that you need to learn as well. You don't have to literally go with the class. You can understand nicely as well. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So here, I'm going to copy the angle, right? Oh my gosh. Stop the share. Okay. Did I share? No. Gosh. Krishav, are you following Krishav?
Yeah, I am.
See, whatever I wrote in pencil is gone. That's okay. That's fine. So here it is B A C. Okay. Copy angle B A C. Shall we go here? Now I have to copy this angle, right? So what do? I take the compass. Okay. Compass, I place it here. Can I go ahead, guys? Now, don't go so near, okay? It should not be less than half of the line, okay? It should be more than half of the line, okay? Lock. More than half of the line, any point you can have, okay?
Wait, why?
Now, yeah. Tell me. Tell me, what's that? Okay, now more than half of the line you measured and locked the compass. Okay, now I'm going to use that black color thing and draw an arc. You see, I drew an arc. That's it. I drew an arc. Now I bring the compass to this space, to this side where I'm going to copy. I'm going to draw the same arc here. To draw the arc, so I go up, I draw the same arc. Any questions still here? Guys, unless you also do, you're never going to follow constructions. Unless you also do in parallel, you will never understand constructions. Are you all doing it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, again, I take the compass. Come back to the first one. Unlock. Measure this distance. Lock it. Come back here. Take the compass. Whatever locked measurement, right? Come back here to that point where the arc intersects the line. I come back there and I draw an arc on top. Now place back the compass. Now what I do, I join my starting point to the intersection of both the arcs. You know, it's just that I have copied angle BAC to B dash A dash C dash. Any question now? B dash A dash C dash is a copy of BA. Any questions?
I don't understand.
Hmm?
I don't understand the second arc.
No problem. I'll redo. Okay, I'll redo, and wherever you are, you can pick it up from there. Okay, so let me clear everything. I'm going to copy this angle. See, first time it is going to be a little difficult. Once you practice these two at home, everything will become easy. Now, here, this is C, B, or A, and then I'll see. I don't want it. I'm sorry. Let me do it with this line. Okay, I want to copy this line. I want to copy this angle. Okay, this angle is what I'm going to copy. What do? I draw a line. I draw a line. I call it as A dash C dash. If you want me to stop, immediately stop me. A dash C dash. I hope you have it till here. Now I take the compass. Okay. Bring the compass tip to the vertex.
Okay.
Unlock. Okay. Unlock. Please don't go so near. Okay. Take more than half of the line. Okay. Lock the compass. Draw my arc now. Draw the arc now. Okay. Once you draw the arc, don't unlock. Don't unlock your compass. You're not going to unlock your compass. You're going to bring it to A dash. Draw the same arc. Annam Advait, are you doing, guys? Annam Advait?
Yeah, I'll like practice.
Okay. So now place back the compass. You don't need to place back the compass. Hold on. But did you get it till here? Should I wait or can I move on? Advik, did you get it?
Yeah.
Rishiv?
Yeah.
Okay. Now take your compass back to the intersection of the arc on the baseline. Okay. You're going to measure, unlock the compass, measure this distance. Which distance? The angle distance. On the arc, right? You're going to measure on the drawn arc, you're going to measure that distance using your compass and lock your compass. Akshata, are you doing, ma'am?
So we're measuring the distance of the arc we drew.
Exactly. Measuring the
Yeah, I'm
distance
doing it.
of the two lines. Okay. I'm going to come back, put my needle back in the baseline intersection of the arc. Now you have measured some length, right? Using that, make sure you draw the arc. That's all. I'm going to place back my compass. Now I'm going to join A dash with the intersection of these two. The intersection of both the arcs that I drew. So this is B dash, A dash, C dash. Now B dash, A dash, C dash is a copy, the angle is a copy of angle ABC. I should not say ABC, BAC. Any questions? The order is important, okay?
Sure, but doesn't the angle, the newly created angle look bigger than the first one?
No, Retma, it will be exactly same. You want to measure that? Good idea. Good idea. This is 30 degree, okay?
Okay.
Let's see. See, 30 degree. Do you see it? Ma, are you all able to see the protractor?
Yes.
Okay. So using the protractor, you can measure and see for that matter. It's exactly 30. You want to redo or you're good?
I'm good.
How about the others? Guys, it's your class. You're going to make use of it. Advik, Pratika, how about you?
I think I got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Sahana, how about you?
I understand the first part, but I don't understand what you did when you like measured the arc.
Okay. Shall I redo? Shall I? Oh, I don't know how to keep it back. Hold on. Okay. You're going to copy the angle, right? Sahana, one more time I can redo. No problem at all. Okay. I'm going to just copy this angle. Okay. This time I'll copy this angle. Okay. So I'm going to mark it as BAC. This angle is, this is what I want to copy. Okay. I'm going to draw a line AC. Okay. Take the compass, bring it to the base vertex, unlock it more than half the length of the line, lock the compass, bring it to this end. I'm going to draw a big arc. For that, I have to hold on to the black color part of the compass. When I hold on to the black color part of the compass, I can draw a nice arc. Okay, done. Sahana, did you understand till here?
Yes.
Now, I go back and place the compass at my starting point. Okay. What I can do, I can use the same measurement. I don't have to shorten it, okay? Using the same measurement, what I can do, I can go ahead and draw an arc here. I have to draw for that matter, okay? I drew the arc. In both the cases, I have to draw the arc with the same measurement though. Okay. After that is the best part. I want to measure the distance, this angle distance. See, the arc has cut the ray AB. Arc actually cut the ray AB at a point, let's say C. Okay. The arc cut the ray AB at C, at D. The arc cut the ray AB. Wait a moment. So at point D. Okay. The arc cut the line. Okay. Both are lines or rays, whatever. Okay. The arc cut the ray AB at D and the arc cut the ray AC at E. Okay. Now you are using the compass, measure the length DE. Using the compass, unlock the compass and measure the length DE, lock it. Got it? Now I go back to my base point. Keep the compass there. I go back to the point, this one. Here, let's say E dash. I call this point, the intersection of the arc and the baseline as E dash. keep your compass at the point E dash, which is the intersection of the line AC and the arc I drew. Okay, now with your compass at the point E dash, I'm going to draw an arc. What arc? The whatever you measured. Okay, that arc I draw. Sahana, did you follow?
Yes.
So basically, I measured this distance, literally this distance, locked the compass, brought the compass to the point E dash, okay, and made sure I have an arc. Okay, the two arcs, let me remove the compass is done. The two arcs meet at a point, right? That's what you're going to connect with the base vertex. Now, this angle, this is B dash, this is D dash. Now, B dash, A dash, C dash is the angle is a copy of BAC. Any questions?
I understand it now.
Anybody else? Any questions? Okay, now let me see if I can ask any questions on this. I don't know whether I can ask. Is it that easy? Yeah. I want to practice, right? Hold on. Yeah, copy a line segment, but how to practice? You don't have practice for this one separately. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can give you some practice, basic practice. You have to know more, ma. You have to know a little bit more. Yeah, this is not enough. You need to know a little bit more, then only you can practice. Okay, so basically, let me show you. Questions like this will be asked. Yeah, this one. I don't know if this is, see, questions like this can be asked. They will give you the constructions. Okay, they've given the constructions. Okay, now tell me the answer for fifth one. What do you think it is? Now that you know some constructions, I think this is logical. Based on the construction shown on the right, which of the following statements is true? Can I get an answer from everybody on this? What do you all think? Based on the construction shown on the right, which of the following statements must be true? Yeah, guys, are you able to guess or no? What do you guys think? Yeah, please send in chat, Ma. I want to see everybody's views.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, Ma.
my computer's being weird. It's not letting me access the chat.
No problem. Okay, I'll ask you in the end. Wait.
Okay.
Subi, I want you to recheck. I think you understood it. But the thing is, are you looking at the letters and answering? Once you look at the letters and answer, yeah, everybody got it. Pratika as well. Pratika and Subi, you're not looking at the letters. Sahana as well. Krishiv, correct. So some basic, now you see on observing the construction, you're able to find what it does. What it does, it is bisecting. What is bisect? It's a new word, right? You are, see, this line BD is the angle bisector. Is the angle bisect means, sect means cut by 2, cut into 2. BD is the angle bisector of ABC. That means this angle is half of ABC. This angle is half of ABC. ABC is the total angle. So each of this angle is half of the total. Did I make sense? Sahana and Subi, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Advait, I didn't get an answer from you. Advait got it. I saw. Pratika, did you get?
Class send it now.
Yeah. Advait, C is not the answer, ma. Pratika, Subi, did you get it?
Yeah.
See, when you look at it here.
Oh, it's D. Is it now?
B is the answer. ABD is equal to half of ABC. Makes sense?
Oh. Okay, I got it.
Subi, did you understand, Subi?
Yeah.
Akshata, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. See, we copied an angle, right? How to draw the angle bisector? Now you will get it already. Already you might have known how to draw the angle bisector. So basically the base arc is the same. This arc, you already know how to draw this arc. Now keep your compass here, draw this arc. Keep your compass here, draw another arc. And then connect the two lines. That's your angle bisector. I can show you that if you want to, but we can stop constructions here if you want to. What do you want me to do? Shall I show how to construct the angle bisector as well? It's a very basic thing. At least 3 I targeted for today. So let me show you. I'll see. I'll give you these notes, okay? The MathBits notebook website is very good for constructions. Okay, but let's do the angle bisector construction. Yep, here. You're still able to see my screen, guys? Okay, good. So let me also show you how to draw the angle bisector quickly. It's very easy, okay? Now, this is the angle, okay? Given an angle, let me mark points. Let me first name them. BAC is the angle, okay? Your question is draw the angle bisector for BAC. Draw the angle. Angle bisector means what? Angle, it bisects the angle. Bisect means cut into 2. Angle bisector of angle BAC. That's what is required. What do you do now? Take the compass. Always, guys, whenever you measure, take more than half of the line. Always measure more than half of the line. Don't be too stingy to have this. This won't work. Okay, you'll make mistakes. Okay, so let me choose more than half of the line. Okay, with more than half of the line measured, right? Draw an arc. Draw a nice arc. Did you all draw this nice arc? Can I move on? I drew a nice arc. Ashita, did you draw?
Yes.
Okay. Now, take the compass, unlock it, keep it here. Keep it here. And you don't have to measure the arc this time. Okay. But more than half of the arc. Just make sure you measure more than half of the arc. Okay. Now, I'm going to, with that compass in there, I'm going to draw arcs. What arcs I'm going to draw? I'm going to draw this arc somewhere here. Okay, see this arc somewhere here. Now keep the with the same measured length. Don't change the length, okay? Keep it on the other end of the arc. Oh, I'm not able to draw this one, guys. Because I should have drawn a little bit down. Yeah, I cannot access. This is bad. Hold on. Let me see. How can I do? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So with that as length, right, I would draw this arc. Which arc? I'll make my pencil draw the arc, right? So here I would draw this arc. Let me move it aside. Okay, I have no way to draw the arc. If I draw this and then connect these 2 points, I'm going to redraw that for you. Okay, clear? Yeah, go ahead, ma.
I don't understand.
Yeah, I'll do again, ma, because I did not do a proper job. I should have drawn. I'm not able to access the top of the compass. Okay, so here, this is the angle. Okay, I want to create an angle bisector. This is B, A, C. Okay, you have to draw an angle bisector. Please, this bisector question, everybody makes a mistake because sometimes I forget to explain. And you know, in their first test, they will see the bisector. They come back and ask, hey, what is bisector? What is bisector? Bisector is, see, if this is a bisector of the line segment, let's say there is a line segment AB, CD is the bisector of the line, means it cuts the line AB into 2 equal halves. So I want to draw the angle bisector for BAC angle. How do I do? Not a hard one, this one, okay? So take your compass, keep it at the vertex, make sure you lock it, and then draw an arc. Ashrita, did you get till here?
What distance? What distance do we measure for?
You can take any, you can take at least half of the line, let's say. Make sense?
Okay.
At least, oh my God, I don't want an arc this side. Just keep it this side. Okay, now make sure you draw an arc. Okay, can I move on?
I still don't kind of understand.
Hmm?
I kind of don't understand.
Where did you leave? Where did you not understand? I didn't do anything. Whatever I did earlier, I did here. I just drew an arc.
How'd you make the arc again? I forgot. I was paying.
You want me to draw the arc again? I just kept my compass here with more than half the length of the line. Okay, lock it.
Right.
Lock it and just draw an arc.
Oh, okay.
That's all. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Now, see, my intention is to measure the angle with the compass. My intention is to measure the angle with the compass. So go to the arc drawn. Okay. Go to the arc drawn. Okay. You don't have to change the measurement here at all. Okay. Just draw another arc from the intersection of the arc and the ray. From the intersection of the arc and the ray down, you're going to draw another arc. Those two arcs meet at a point, right? Those two arcs meet at a point. What is that point? Let's say E. I'll call this point as E. Now you have to join the vertex A with E. That's it. This AE is the angle bisector for BAC. Make sense?
So just to clarify, when we're drawing the two arcs, the first arc would go right here, like the first point,
Yes.
and then we use the pencil to draw this arc.
This
And
arc.
then-
Yes, you're right. Yeah. The blue, correct.
And then this point would help us draw the other arc.
Correct. That will be red. Let's say red. Make sense?
Okay.
Did you all get it, guys?
Yeah, I just did it myself.
Yeah. So this is the angle bisector. So what did we do today? Let me recap. One is we copied a line segment. Okay. What did we do? We copied a line segment. We copied, no, what did we do next? I forgot, guys. We copied a line segment. Copied an angle. We copied an angle, given angle, and then we drew an angle bisector. These are the very three basic constructions. We drew an angle bisector. These three are the ones that we did today. Any questions for me?
Why
No.
is it called constructions?
What is it, ma?
Why is it called constructions?
Because you're constructing it, right? You're constructing an angle bisector. You're not using protractors. You're just using your compass, ruler, and pencil.
Why do we have to copy a line that's already given?
You have to be able to use basic geometric tools. Come what may, if you study geometry in mathematics.
Okay.
So that's. But can I frankly tell you, some of the schools do not teach constructions.
Okay.
Okay, some of the schools do teach constructions. You know what? Last year there were kids that took CBE. Okay, in Frisco, let's say. They did not get any constructions question. I taught them. Okay. This year, what happened? I didn't teach constructions because last year they did not get it. This
And
year they had a
yeah.
couple of constructions questions.
Hey, Miss Priya.
Yeah.
How do you copy a line segment again? I forgot.
Copy a line segment, just draw one arc, right? Meaning, see, I'll provide notes. Okay, let me show you, Dhruv. This is the notes I'm going to give. So you don't have to depend on me at all. Okay. See, I told you, right? MathBits notebook is very good. So I will give you, see, here is where, this is what I'm going to share with you. So you don't have, you're not dependent on me. Don't worry about it at all. I'm saying, see, this is what I'm going to give, constructions, okay? See, basic construction, copy a line segment, steps are in here. Do you see?
You put this in Google Classroom?
Yes, I will definitely put this, copy an angle. See, whatever we did, this is in here. But you know what? You have to sit and try once or twice, then only you'll get it. Okay, then the next one, bisect, what did I say? See, third one, we covered this one, bisect angle. See? Make sense?
Yes.
So I'm going to put this, okay, in Google Classroom. So the homework is just going to be, try it out in a piece of paper and submit it. Copy a line segment, copy an angle, bisect an angle. That's it.
Well, don't we need a actual protector, the thing?
Absolutely, yes, right? You need an actual compass. Yeah, for me, it is very important to have the geometric tools in place anytime. Even if you are an elementary kid, I would want you to have the geometry box with you. Okay, similarly, TI-84 calculator is equally important. Okay, any questions for me?
No.
See, and if your teacher doesn't teach next year, right, don't blame me. Auntie unnecessarily thought. It's not unnecessary, guys. At the end of it, you're learning to use the geometric tools. It's so nice.
Miss
Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow when somebody comes and asks you, what did you do with your campus? Nothing, but you studied geometry. That scares me off. Go ahead. You have to be able to use the compass nicely, however you want to. You know what? When we were all young, we studied all of this. Nowadays, nobody teaches these, okay, in school. Okay, only a few. If you know the 6 itself, it's great. Okay, so we did only 3 today. Okay, any questions?
No.
Constructing angle 90 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree are all very interesting if you study. But anyway, okay, I'll not go that deep in this class. Okay, I'll only go through construction parallel through a point I will do. Okay, that's all. Any
Our
questions for me?
Our homework is drawing
Yep.
the first 3.
No, 1, 2, this one, ma. I did not bisect as a line segment. Line segment means a line. I bisected an angle, right?
Yeah, that's what I meant. Like third one means that we only have
1, 2, and 4, ma.
Okay.
Okay, any questions?
Is the proofs also part of the homework?
No, ma, not this week.
Like the one from last week?
Last week, definitely finished, Sahana. It'll help you, Sahana.
Okay.
This one your teacher may not teach, okay? There will be no geometry class that doesn't teach proof. Proof
Okay.
is so important, okay? This one, there will be teachers who may not teach or schools that may not teach. I don't know about it, okay? But if you're writing CBE, it's better to learn because this year they had questions on construction and both the kids did not do those 1 or 2 questions that we didn't go over. It was sad to know, but yeah, that was the reality. Any questions?
No.
That's why I thought, okay, starting itself, I will just go over a few basics and I don't even have to look back on constructions. Okay. See you all next week. Next week will be our last class. And by the way, guys, do you all want to write a test next week in Algebra 1 or no? I'll go by the majority. Quick, you'll have to let me know.
No.
Others, please, I really respect your opinion.
No.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to join next week. I will like.
And doesn't matter, Ma. Ashita, you know me, right? I will, on the day of the test only, you can ask for the question paper because I don't have it prepared. If we do a test, otherwise, what's the recording?
I'm okay with the test.
You're okay with the test. Others, how about you all? Please, I want answers and then you can
No.
leave.
I don't want to take a pret test.
So let's quickly identify. Let's quickly identify how many of you want it. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, test, no test. Okay, yes, no. You are going to answer and then you are going to log off. Okay, I really want to understand based on whatever the majority is. I'll go ahead. Okay, let's see. Oh, what is this?
Is it going to be a long test?
Maybe 20 questions. That's my thought.
Oh no, I'll change it.
I don't know.
20 questions isn't too bad.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You can how you I don't know how to put this book.
Why we're taking a test?
But oh my gosh, how to
I don't really want to do one. Because I don't want to do it.
Or we can just like give our opinion in the chat. If that helps you.
okay, how about this?
Yeah,
You
I got
answer?
yes.
Yeah, let's go with the majority. I don't want to sit and force you to take a test now, but at the same time, if you're all okay, I'll give a 20 question test.
I'm okay, yeah, as long as it's 20 questions.
Yeah, we'll have 20 question test.
Wait, it's geometry, right? Is it a geometry?
Geometry? No, algebra one, please.
Oh yeah, okay.
Algebra one. Geometry, I won't give you a test.
Oh, it's
Okay?
algebra?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, please. Yes, it's algebra. Because see, again, you cannot forget algebra. Okay, PSAT 9, 10 is going to come for you guys. You will have to be in touch with algebra. That is why algebra. Okay, let's go ahead with the 20 question test then. Okay.
Okay, Miss
I
Priya.
promise I will not exceed 20 questions. Nice, guys. I really like that you all want to do that 20 question test. Good job. Okay, guys. See you all next week.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. See
Bye.
you next. Have a nice week ahead, guys.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I just wanted to say I wasn't really focusing on the like geometry homework because like, I'm studying for the test in July.
Absolutely. Okay, but you have to catch up. That's all for me.
Yeah,
I know you are.
promise I'll
Now
catch
that
up.
you're working together for a long time, I'm least bothered.
Okay,
But
thank you.
definitely don't take advantage of it.
I won't. I promise I'll catch up.
Thank you. That's nice of you.
Okay. Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye.